to be that day where
therefore, you're seeing that positive move. Happiest minds, despite the clarification or including the clarification, stock is up 1% or so. Not clear in the clarification as to whether that acquisition is actually going through or not. So that's how happiest minds is being seen by the street now. Let me go across. Vaishali, how are you looking at the market open? We was looking at a gash of around 200 points odd. The Nifty holding up fairly well for itself.
So that's what I think is still so far so good. But well, let's see how it progresses, because it can turn into 24,000 as the level to watch. That's final, because below that, of course, as I said, 23,800. And I think the way market has begun, it's quite likely.
Kunal, what are your first trades?
Well, yeah, I think Voltas is something which starts to look attractive. Yesterday, we saw the stock moving up by a few percentage points, and more importantly, it's on the verge of a 6-month downward sloping trendline breakout. So that's a chart which I think should be on traders' radar.
Kunal, we're seeing a lot of unwind of puts happening at 24,200 at this point in time. Do you think today would be a down day for the market in that sense? Yesterday, we had a good support coming on put writers putting on 24,000 and 24,200. But today, the July 21 series is seeing a lot of unwind.
See, I think for today, there were two things which happened yesterday. The put call ratio jumped up to 1.6 yesterday. So that was one of the reasons why the markets were a little overbought. It needed some sort of a cool off. So I think in that sense, I would expect the markets to be a little moderate. And more importantly, the zones where we look at the option writers are the hubs of 24,000 as well as 24,200. So I would sense that good part of the day, we should be fluctuating within this 200-point band.